Hello, Chef here, and once again I'm in one of the kitchens working with two of my favorite things. However, Chef's been drinking. We've got some hard cider going on here today, and this is quite potent, strong stuff. I like a little hard cider every now and then. Wow! Alright, so what I'm going to talk to you about today is basil and garlic. And I'm going to ask you to just check out this awesome basil. This is organic, wild, farm grown. I know the farmer. It pays to know your farmers. So this is beautiful. It's ready to go. I'm going to whip up a pesto with this garlic. This garlic, by the way, is USA garlic. This garlic comes from California. It's really, really good stuff. So I'm going to work with that. Channel. Just check out this channel. You'll find all kinds of things. Search basil, search pesto, search garlic. You'll find a lot of facts about garlic. Real quick, I like to use Thor's hammer. I've used it in the video before. If you need Thor's hammer, you can score it at the site there. And just give this garlic a little smash like this. It's so easy. Don't buy any other tools for garlic. It's all a waste of money. Gizmos, gadgets, and junk. This is the way you do it right here, okay? Fast and easy. This garlic is now ready to chop. You saw how fast that was. So nice and easy. Alright, I'm going to give this a chop. I'm going to make a pesto, and I'm going to show you the finished dish. If you want to learn more about these, of course, just check out the channel. Real quickly, when I'm working with this garlic and I'm doing a pesto, it just needs to be very, very rough chopped. However, I thought I'd throw you a curveball, and I've got some shredded duck breast here. We're going to make a duck confit. So for the duck confit, we've got a hot steel frying pan here. Oh yeah, some extra virgin olive oil. It's nice and hot. I'm going to put a little bit of this garlic in there, like this. We're going to let it cook. I'm going to add some of this duck. And for a really good confit, we're going to let this duck brown a little bit and get crispy. That's going to be served with a pesto pasta, some cheese, and wow, it's going to pop. I'll be back. Oh yeah, that's a really nice looking duck confit right there. The duck breast starting to get brown, crispy. This is the way Chef likes it right here. A little practice, you'll be doing this too. Oh yeah. This is what the perfect pesto looks like. This is the color you're looking for right here. Just check out the channel and you'll get the pesto recipe. Yeah! Ah, the pasta. Traditionally, we add a little bit of the pesto right to the pasta like so. And we give it a stir to coat the pasta very nicely like this. Oh yeah. Okay, take a little bit of pasta like so and put it on the plate. Right there. Maybe a little bit more. Twist it up really nice. Yeah. And the duck confit around the perimeter like so. Just a little bit. Duck is very expensive. Truffle oil, just a touch. Like this. A little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano. Yeah, you gotta have that. And a small garnish. 1, 2, 3. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support the sponsor. Click that little like button, little thumbs up there for the chefs. Keep cooking and have a beautiful day. Oh yeah, that is going to be good.